If you're new to NinjaTrader, let's take a look at how you might configure a chart. Okay, this is a daily chart of the mini NASDAQ, and I've just put the very simplest indicator on it. Well, let's just look at the data series first of all. A data series, this is how you arrange your data. You pick your time period here, your compression, so we do day chart here, and the number of days per bar, so you could have a 5-day bar if you wanted, or a 2-day bar. And the data that you're loading in goes here, set like this. For Drummond work, we often use open, high, low, close, and then mode of high, low, close. I set this chart is set to an 8-bar thickness. You can make it more thick or less thick. You can have up and down bars and so forth. So this is how this is set up for your basic, most basic chart. And if we apply this then and say OK, and then go look at the indicators that are on here. I put only the most simple indicator that we have. The way you add indicators is to specify them in the available area. Look for the Drummond series, and then you add them to the chart like that. Okay, we're going to remove that because we're just going to talk about this very, very simple envelope and PL dots, just for the sake of getting a little orientation here. So I set it up like this, calculating each tick. The look bar should be that. Auto scale, yes. Display in the data box, that's helpful if you have a data box up here and you want to look at the detail levels on the line. It'll display in that or not. The price markers, yes, that refers to the price markers on this price column over here, the price axis, and so forth and so on. It's all very straightforward. To change the style of the plots, you go over here. Let's see how this works. We go, let's see, the PL dot value. We click on that and expand it, and we get the color black. Let's change this to let's change this to, we want it as a line. Let's change it to a dotted line, a dashed line, and let's say we want to make it thicker, 3, and let's say we want to make it a different color. We'll make it oh, I don't know, let's pick a pretty color here, make it green or Dodger blue. Okay, and then we apply this, and there you are. So it's easy to do. We want to make this thicker, apply it, there you are. So you can see how easy it is to configure, and a lot of flexibility in this. We're going to take this back to 3, and we're going to move this back to black, and we're going to move this back to a line. Where's our solid? There we are. There we are. Let's see, and we hit apply. We like it. Okay, I'm going to make the bottom also a red, so go like this and this. Go find our red, crimson, that'll do. So it's a slightly different shade of red. There's a lot of flexibility in these indicators. As you know, you spread the bars like that, and you can move them up and down like that with your mouse click. So it's very flexible, very quick, very easy. The data box will come up. If you hit this, it'll give you the exact levels for any bar. Okay, so there you are. This is the most basic indicator that we have, and it's a little orientation to the NinjaTrader. So I'll stop this now.